such as sandblast, anodize, hard anodize, polishing, brushing, plating, powder coating, PVD, e-coating, painting, Teflon coating. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships.
Rapid delivery win customers' trust. The products which we are making are with different material, such as aluminum alloy, stainless steel, brass, titanium, copper, carbon fiber, carbon steel, POM, nylon, ABS, PC, PP, PETF, PEE.
下机遇，耶！